History was just made in the space race. Jeff Bezos Blue Origin has successfully landed the booster of its massive New Glenn rocket on a drone ship. This makes them only the second company ever to pull this off, right behind SpaceX, and they did it on just their second try. This wasn't just about the landing, though. The rocket also deployed its first commercial payload for NASA twin spacecraft, now on their way to Mars to study its atmosphere. What an incredible double achievement for a brand new rocket system. Even Elon Musk and SpaceX's president gave their congratulations, calling the launch magnificent. This successful mission is a giant leap for Blue Origin, putting them in a prime position to compete in the global launch market and help NASA get back to the moon even faster. What an exciting time for space exploration! Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.